GDP growth is traditionally calculated as population growth plus productivity growth and increasingly debt growth. But what we're facing now could fundamentally alter that equation. When you factor in new technological advancements, particularly in AI and automation, we're not just talking about changes in productivity, we're talking about a shift in how we think about population. With the advent of AI, we have access to what is essentially infinite knowledge at zero cost. And when you consider the rise of robots and automation, it's like introducing infinite workers into the economy. This isn't just a boost in productivity, it's a radical transformation. I don't think people fully grasp just how profound this shift is going to be. We're moving towards a world where technology creates new forms of value untethered from traditional limits on labor and population growth. This could reshape our entire economic framework in ways we're only beginning to understand.
GDP growth has been calculated as population growth plus productivity growth, with debt growth increasingly playing a role. But we're on the brink of something that could fundamentally alter that equation. Technological advancements, particularly in AI and automation, are not just incremental changes, they represent a profound shift in how we think about economic growth. First, consider the idea of infinite knowledge. With AI, we now have access to boundless information at virtually no cost. This doesn't just boost productivity, it revolutionizes how we work, learn, and innovate. But it doesn't stop there. The rise of robots and automation introduces what could be seen as an infinite labor force. Imagine a world where machines handle tasks that once required human labor. This isn't just a productivity enhancement. As a total game changer for how we understand population and economic output. We've always linked economic growth to the size of our population and how efficiently that population can work. But what happens when machines can do the work of countless humans and knowledge itself becomes essentially free? This shift could redefine our entire economic framework. The potential is enormous. Yet, I don't think people fully understand just how profound this transformation will be. It's not just about boosting GDP, it's about fundamentally rethinking the limits of growth and how our economies function in a world of infinite knowledge and automated labor.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
Finance and investing are uniquely suited to leverage AI because it can already do so much that was once limited to humans. AI can read charts and perform technical analysis just as well as a seasoned trader, and it can dive into balance sheets and understand financial terms with incredible accuracy. What's more, AI can analyze vast amounts of data from across a network and distill it into actionable insights, creating a kind of superpower for those who utilize it. Private data sets in particular are a huge advantage. For instance, within platforms like Real Vision, AI can take that exclusive information and serve it back to users, giving them powerful tools they wouldn't have had access to otherwise. This technology levels the playing field. Even people who may not have a deep understanding of finance can now access sophisticated insights and make informed decisions. AI is truly remarkable in how it democratizes knowledge and empowers people in the financial world, creating opportunities that were previously reserved for experts.
Finance and investing are perfectly suited for AI's capabilities. AI can already perform many tasks that once required human expertise. It can read charts and do technical analysis with the precision of a seasoned trader. It can analyze balance sheets and grasp complex financial terms with ease. But what really sets AI apart is its ability to process and summarize vast amounts of data from across networks, feeding back insights that were previously unimaginable. This ability turns AI into a kind of superpower for those who use it. Private data sets, in particular, become a significant advantage with AI. Take a platform like Real Vision, for example. AI can take all the exclusive information available within that ecosystem and deliver it back to users in a way that's personalized, insightful, and actionable. This isn't just about making more data available, it's less about leveling the playing field. People who may not have deep financial knowledge can now access the same sophisticated insights that experts rely on. It's empowering individuals and democratizing access to financial intelligence. What's so remarkable is that AI is transforming finance into something more accessible for everyone. The barriers to entry are coming down, and suddenly, anyone with access to AI-driven tools can make informed investment decisions. This isn't just a shift in technology, it's a shift in how people engage with the financial world, creating new opportunities for growth and success, regardless of their background or expertise.
I believe history will repeat itself, and we'll see a bubble cycle similar to what happened with the internet. Out of the turbulence and uncertainty, something transformative will emerge, just like the phoenix rising from the ashes. I'm reminded of David Bowie's insight from a 1997 interview with Jeremy Paxman. Bowie described the internet as an alien life form, and he was spot on. The disruption we're facing now is even more profound than we yet understand. We are re-dealing with software that isn't a tedious code, but something that evolves and adapts. This concept of living software is new to us. It's not static, it learns, grows, and changes in ways that mimic human understanding. We're not accustomed to software that adapts on its own and develops new forms of knowledge. In fact, companies like Anthropic have had to create specialized tools, almost like MRI machines, to decipher how these networks and large language models actually function. The truth is, nobody fully understands how these systems work yet, and that's part of the profound nature of this disruption.
I think we're on the brink of seeing history repeat itself with a bubble cycle, much like what happened with the internet. Just as the internet went through its own tumultuous phase, leading to the rise of new technologies and opportunities from the ashes, we're witnessing something similar now. Out of this period of upheaval, transformative change will emerge much like the phoenix rising from the ashes. I am reminded of a fascinating moment from a 1997 interview with David Bowie, where he was asked about the internet by Jeremy Paxman. Bowie described the internet as an alien life form, and his insight was incredibly prescient. The disruption we are refacing now, driven by advancements in technology, is even more profound than we fully grasp at the moment. We're dealing with a new kind of software that goes beyond traditional coding. This so-called living software is different from anything we've encountered before. It's not just static code, it's dynamic and capable of learning, adapting, and evolving in ways that mirror human cognition. It can grow and change form based on new information and experiences, making it fundamentally different from traditional software. Companies like Anthropic are developing advanced tools to try to understand how these complex systems work. They are recreating what are essentially MRI machines for artificial intelligence to map out and comprehend how these networks and large language models operate. Despite these efforts, there is still a lot we don't yet know. The way these systems learn and evolve is so advanced that even experts are struggling to fully grasp their inner workings. This level of complexity and adaptability in software is something we are still coming to terms with, and it's reshaping our understanding of technology in profound ways.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.